basically it's come in late and it's leaving late.
And everyone else is late.
Pretty much.
Could be a bus off late.
Maybe. $800 021 that is, and what was the last one? 034. A green one, yeah, that's a good shout.
Slow down.
So these have just had their coaches like redone, so they're electric coaches now. 43 304, but this one hasn't. So 43 304 leaving. This is the service to Leeds.
Minor difficulties in that. Well, we did get a bit lost, but it's fine now. Yeah. Currently we're at Bristol Parkway.
It's 43 207 on the service to Leeds.
Right, you're on speaker.
What's the time? Exactly. So it's 1587866 on the. What's the time, Connor?
46.
1946 Great Western Railway service to Trowbridge.
2018.
Yeah. Formed of two 158s. Oh,
this is like a bird fucking bap.
Shut up. Apologies for Connor's rude language there.
Train to arrive at platform 3 will be the
1952 Cheltenham Spa.
Great Western
Oh, it's
Railway
166.
service to Cheltenham Spa. This is the service from Bath Spa.
Honk.
No, he won't because he's coming into the station. 166 220 on the service to Cheltenham Spa from Bath Spa. Driving in on platform 3. So because all the orange lights have gone out, the train doors are locked and it's ready to go. Well, that was 166 220 on the service to Cheltenham Spa, and we've also got Cross Country train coming in to Bristol Temple Meads. Coming in now is the 1956 Cross Country service to Bristol Temple Meads, formed of a class 220 Voyager. 221 136. This is the only 221 with 4 carriages. 221 136 on the service to Bristol Temple Meads, ready to depart. Calling at Bristol Temple Meads only.
showed me an abandoned building.
Alright, hold on.
Fucking
Thanks for watching my video from Bristol Parkway.